there's a way to get unlimited germinating the vegetables the plant gives you?
This is called plant asexual technique, and we will teach you what it is conformed by. We will later harvest on our asexual plants and also normal plants with normal seeds to see how the process goes by.
Sexual reproduction in plants involves the production of new individuals without the need of gametes or fertilization. Common asexual techniques used in plants.
1. Cuttings. This technique involves taking a portion of a plant, typically a stem or leaf, and placing it in a suitable growing medium where it can develop roots and eventually grow into a new plant. Division. Division involves separating a parent plant into smaller sections, each with its own root system. This is commonly by iris and hostas.
Each of these techniques allows plants to reproduce asexually, producing new individuals that clone from the parent plant. It can be very useful in situations like space or subterranean harvesting, where pollinators won't be needed.
Experimentation. We try to plant our self-asexual plants. We use garlic, onion, and potatoes. We harvest our potato by cutting it into a half, and the garlic without the peel, and finally the onion cut in slices.
Plants reproduce sexually on the next way.
Pollination. Pollen grains contain sperm cells that are transferred from the male reproductive organs to the female reproductive organs of flowers. This can occur through various agents, such as wine, wind, water, or animals. Seed formation. After fertilization, the ovules develop into seeds, each containing a new plant embryo. These seeds germinate and grow into a new plant. Our experiment was about planting seeds to know how sexual reproduction works in plants. We used radish, cilantro, and finally lentils on a container with manure and dirt.
Pollinators are essential for ecosystem and agriculture, supporting biodiversity by enabling the reproduction of flowering plants, including crops and wild species. Economically, pollinators contribute billions of dollars to global agricultural economies annually, enhancing agricultural productivity and livelihoods.
Protecting and conserving pollinators is vital for maintaining biodiversity, supporting food security, and promoting for sustainability of agricultural systems.
Like Albert Einstein once said, if the bee disappeared off the face of the earth, man will only have 4 years left to live.
Now, we will show you what happened to our plants after 17 days of being planted. So here is one of the potatoes. It's like a piece of it. It didn't grow because it had to be cut in half and put in water before being planted. This is the onion. As you can see, it has roots. So it did grow. Yes, this can be planted. Should be the. It didn't grow. None of them. These were the cilantro ones. No signs of growth. The other seeds. But we have a pretty garlic and a pretty onion with its pretty roots. Only one that grew was the garlic, you can see.
Thanks for watching the complete video. To conclude, pollinators are essential and there's a way for plants to reproduce without them.